Okay, now that we've viewed courses and we've pulled them into our platform, let's talk about creating courses in your platform. So part of the real power of the headless system is that it allows you to pull a fully white labeled course creation platform into your product platform. So here I am in my training, in my demo platform. I'm going to close out this. One of the API routes that I've implemented here is for the edit action. So pretty much exactly the same as getting a URL for viewing. We are calling out to /headless/course/edit. We are optionally passing an ID. We're passing a client identifier and identifier. We're passing a color, which will then theme the builder according to our brand. I'm also opting into the translations feature. So there's a few ways to interact with the course creation. The first is that we could edit the course that's already in our platform. Open up the console just to show the result of this. So when I hit edit, we go and fetch an edit with that ID for that course. And we can see there that we get back a URL that you can embed into your platform. And it's all kind of, it's got a token on the end just to kind of authenticate you into our platform. So you can see there we're straight into the course that we were looking at before. You also might want to allow your users to create their own courses from scratch. So start from scratch, we'll put you into an empty course builder with a new course. You can see here that this color has kind of applied as the default theme. And we've created a theme based on the color that's been passed through. You may also want to allow your users to use our AI course creation methods, and you can do so by passing parameters through. So let me quickly show how that works. So if we go to training, which is the page we're looking at, and we can see that we're pushing to the build we can see that we're pushing to the build route and we're passing a flow parameter. With that flow parameter, we are adding it as a suffix on the embed link. So you can either add it to the embed link or you could optionally pass it through to the edit route when you get the signed URL. So I could easily pass a flow here. So either way works. It just depends what's easier for you to implement. So in terms of this edit, I can then hit generate course. That's going to kick me into the generate flow. It allows me to generate course from a prompt. If I then go back, I can do document to course, which allows me to generate a course based on various documents that I might want to upload. Finally, there's convert presentation, which allows me to convert a PowerPoint presentation or a keynote presentation verbatim into a course where we don't use AI in this instance. We just kind of attempt to convert it like for like into a Coassemble course. So all of those are available to you just simply by passing a parameter.